Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we are going to see how we can allocate processor and memory to a virtual machine in VMware Workstation. In this video, I would like to talk about allocating processors and memory to your virtual machine using a VMware Workstation. So for that, first you have to select your operating system, and after that you have to go VM and go to the settings. Click on a settings. So here we can see a memory, processor and many much option. Now we need to allocate a memory and processors to our virtual machine. So as we can see in a processor, the processor is disabled because our virtual machine is running in the background. So first we have to power it off. So it's off. So first we see that our memory is 2 GB and only a one processor. Now we are going to allocate a more memory and more processor to our virtual machine. So for that, click on operating system, go to VM and then settings. So now first we are going to increase the memory by 2048 MB. So we just increases by 4000 megabyte, and in a processor we can see now this core per processor is enabled because we just turn it off our operating system. So now we are able to change it. So number of processor is only one. I am increasing by 2 processor, and number of core processor is 1. I am also increase it by a 2. So total processor are now 4. So here we can see a virtualization engine. So we didn't change anything, make it automatically. So just click on OK. So after click on OK, you can see the changes over here. So click OK. So now as you can see that we have 3.9 GB of memory, 4 processor and other information are showing over here. So right like this we can allocating a memory and processor to our virtual machine using a VMware Workstation. In our next video we are going to see duplicating virtual machine using a VMware Workstation. Thank you for watching.